Hey Samuel, have a play trick another engine. Oh yeah, Lammus, let's find another engine to play tricks. Good idea, yeah. Yeah, because these engines are sucked. Yeah, they're all sucked because they have no fun at all. Or for Darren, or Silo, I don't care if they get in trouble or not. Look! It's a cow engine! Oh yeah, you're right, it is like a cow! Oh, we could teach that cow engine to do the cow jump over the moon! Oh, good idea, Samuel! Let's do it! What the f*** are you about? Let's go up to him. Oh, good idea, my brother. Let's go up to him. What the hell did it want from me? I must go and see what it wants. I have to act a bit stupid. What are you troublemakers? Oh, do you hear the cry, baby, my brother? Oh yeah, I did, Lammus. He is a cry baby. A cry cow baby. What are they all about? We could teach him. We could fly over and fly around the moon. What? I'm not that. Ready? I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Here I come. 3, 2, 1. And then for Darren and Silo comes to dismiss his behavior. Alright guys, you got some explaining to do. We have nothing to say. Yeah, we got nothing to say, you fools. You do. And us now, or take to your sheds. Alright, I'll explain. We tried to prove that cow engine to be ahead of the cow. So that's what we tried to prove. To get him to jump over the moon. And that's the rhyme. Hey, did the cow engine jump over the moon? Well, Samuel, or whatever that is, I am proving your excuses. Oh, you for Darren. How dare you talk to fella like this? And you know what? I think time you will sleep in with several sheds. What? You heard him. Well done, Jerky. How dare you call me Jerky, you jerker?